How to document restore processes for business stakeholders without technical jargon. Most restore documentation is written for engineers. The problem is that executives, finance leaders, and department heads are the ones approving budgets and evaluating risk. In this video, we'll walk you through how to document backup and restore processes in plain business language, so stakeholders clearly understand recovery timelines, impact, and readiness. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Step-by-step guide on documenting restore processes for stakeholders. Step 1. Craft a business-friendly recovery narrative. Start with a short recovery story written in plain language. Avoid product names, log references, or deep technical detail. Instead, use this simple structure: trigger, action, outcome. Here's an example. After detecting file encryption activity, we restored clean copies from the previous night's backup. Critical systems were fully operational within 2 hours. That single sentence communicates what happened, what your team did, how quickly the business recovered. Step 2. Create a simple visual flow. Create a flowchart that outlines a basic recovery pathway, making sure it mirrors your real process. Under each step, explain the action in plain business language. Incident detected, identify clean backup, initiate restore, verify systems, notify stakeholders. Under each step, describe actions in plain language. Here are some examples. We confirmed the scope of impact. We selected the most recent unaffected backup. We restored data and validated access. We notified leadership once systems were confirmed operational. Step 3. Build a restore scenario summary table. Stakeholders need predictable expectations. Create a simple table showing common recovery scenarios, estimated recovery times, business impact, and a summary of the recovery process. This sets realistic expectations and demonstrates your team's preparedness. Step 4. Translate metrics into business language. Convert technical targets into operational outcomes. This connects performance metrics directly to business continuity. Here are a few common recovery metrics, followed by how to discuss them using business lingo. RTO. Core systems recoverable and operational within 2 hours. RPO. Maximum potential data loss limited to 15 minutes. Quarterly test results. All restore tests completed in under 90 minutes. Bare metal recovery. We can rebuild a full system onto new hardware if the original server fails. Step 5. Include lightweight restore evidence. Evidence builds trust. Provide a simplified snapshot of recent backup or restore validation activity. For Windows environments, you can pull recent backup events with. This surfaces recent backup activity and timestamps in a readable format, providing simple evidence that backups are running and recovery points are available. For production-ready reporting version, refer to the full script in the blog. Step 6. Add a lessons learned section. Include a short section in your restore documentation titled Lessons Learned and Improvements. Examples: increased backup frequency after Q1 restore delay. Implementation immutable backups to prevent tampering. Completed tabletop recovery exercise to improve coordination. Improved stakeholder notification timeline. This shows continuous improvement, helps prevent repeat issues, and creates a maturity roadmap that everyone can follow. When stakeholders understand the restore process in plain language, they gain confidence in your recovery capability and can make faster, more informed decisions during incidents. Your ultimate goal is to build your client's technical resiliency while maintaining their trust. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to document restore processes for business stakeholders without technical jargon, linked in the description below.